If you've ever looked at raw fabric edges and thought, yeah, that's not gonna cut it, then this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 10 ranked serger on Amazon for 2026, from beginner-friendly sergers to serious heavy-duty workhorses. These picks are based on real user experience, long-term reliability, and how these machines actually perform at home, not just what the box promises. We're starting at number 10 and working our way all the way up to the best overall overlock machine you can buy right now. Let's get into it. Number 10. Serger S0100. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Serger S0100. This is a very straightforward, no-nonsense serger that's clearly aimed at beginners who want professional-looking seams without spending a ton of money. It offers 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching, a solid metal frame, differential feed, and a free arm, which is actually pretty nice at this price point if you're hemming sleeves or cuffs. Where the S0100 does well is basic performance. It's fast, stable, and once you get the tension dialed in, it produces clean seams on knits and everyday fabrics. That said, this is not a plug-and-play machine. Threading can still be frustrating despite the color coding. There's no trim bin, no thread cutter, and some users report needing frequent adjustments. It's best for beginners who are willing to learn and troubleshoot, but if you want something effortless, this might test your patience a bit. Number 9. Brother ST4031HD. At number 9 is the Brother ST4031HD, and this machine is a completely different animal. This is a true heavy-duty serger, built for people who sew thick fabrics regularly. We're talking denim, canvas, towels, layered knits, no hesitation. The carbon steel blade cuts cleanly through heavy stacks, and the metal frame keeps the machine rock solid even at high speed. What really stands out here is consistency. Users constantly mention that they can switch from heavy fabrics to lighter ones without constantly chasing tension issues. The wide extension table is a huge plus for bulky projects, and the lower looper is one of the easiest to thread in this entire category. It's not fancy, no decorative stitches, no air threading, but if you want power, stability, and reliability, this machine absolutely delivers. Number 8. Serger S1478. Coming in at number 8 is the Serger S1478, a lightweight, budget-friendly serger that offers more features than you'd expect for the price. You get 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching, differential feed, adjustable cutting width, rolled hems, and a free arm, which is a big win for garment sewing. This machine shines for casual home use, especially knits and basic garments like t-shirts, pajamas, and kids' clothes. The downside is the build. It's lighter than many others on this list, which can lead to vibration, and some users report inconsistent stitch quality if the threading order isn't followed perfectly. It's best treated as an occasional use serger rather than a long-term workhorse, but for beginners who want features without a big price tag, it's still a solid pick. Number 7. Janome Mod 8933. At number 7, we have the Janome Mod 8933, and this is one of the most reliable beginner sergers on Amazon. Janome doesn't chase flashy features, they focus on machines that work, and this one absolutely does. You get 3 and 4 thread stitching, excellent differential feed, lay-in color-coded threading, adjustable presser foot pressure, and one of the easiest quick-change rolled hems in this entire list. What people love about this machine is how predictable it is. Once threaded, it just keeps sewing. It handles denim, canvas, knits, and craft fabrics confidently, and the stitch quality is consistently clean. There's no free arm and no advanced automation, but this is one of those machines you buy because you don't want drama. If you want a dependable first serger or a backup machine you can trust, this is a very strong choice. Number 6. Luminomoto 1250. Number 6 goes to the Luminomoto 1250, a compact, feature-packed serger that punches above its price with a few caveats. On paper, it looks great. 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching, differential feed, free arm, rolled hems, built-in trim trap, metal frame, and up to 1,250 stitches per minute. When it's dialed in, it produces very nice stitches on apparel and home decor projects. Threading is fairly approachable thanks to the color-coded guides, and the machine doesn't take up much space. However, long-term reliability is mixed. Some users report motor failures or tension frustration after months of use, and the manual isn't always clear. This is best for beginners and hobbyists who want good features at a low price and are okay with a bit of trial and error. Number 5. Brother 2340CV Cover Stitch Machine. At number 5, and this is important, we have the Brother 2340CV, which is not a standard serger. This is a dedicated cover stitch machine, and it earns its place here because if you sew knits, this machine can change everything. The 2340CV creates professional double and triple row hems that stretch without popping, exactly like store-bought garments. It's incredibly reliable, easy to thread compared to most cover stitch machines, and produces beautiful results on t-shirts, leggings, and necklines. The biggest downside is the lack of a free arm and the slightly awkward thread release process when you finish stitching. If you don't sew knits, you don't need this. But if you do, this is one of the most affordable and reliable cover stitch machines you can buy, and many people say it completely transformed their sewing. Number 4. Vevor 336. Coming in at number 4 is the Vevor 336, and this one is a bit of a wild card. This is a powerful, budget-priced serger machine that's often used for heavy-duty or utility sewing. It supports 2, 3, and 4 threads, has strong feeding power, a wide differential feed range, and handles thick materials surprisingly well. Many users use this machine for bag making, upholstery, and even industrial-style tasks. That said, it's not refined, quality control is inconsistent, safety concerns have been raised by some users, and it's definitely not a beginner-friendly, polished experience. If you're technically comfortable, want raw power for the price, and don't mind rough edges, it can be an incredible value. For traditional garment sewing beginners, though, there are safer choices. Number 3. Serger Heavy Duty HD0450S. At number 3 is the Serger Heavy Duty HD0450S, and this is one of Serger's strongest modern sergers. It's built around a heavy metal frame, has a 60% larger cutting knife, sews up to 1,300 stitches per minute, and handles thick fabrics with confidence. Compared to lighter Serger models, this one feels more controlled, more stable, and quieter. It's still not beginner easy when it comes to threading, but once you learn it, performance is excellent. Stitch quality is strong, feeding is consistent, and it comes well equipped with accessories. If you want a powerful Serger serger without jumping into industrial prices, this is a very strong contender. Number 2, Serger X 5004 HD. At number 2 is the Serger X 5004 HD, a machine that walks the line between home and heavy-duty sewing. This serger is fast, powerful, and equipped with a massive cutting knife that slices through thick materials with ease. It offers 2, 3, and 4 thread stitching, excellent differential feed, and solid stitch results on denim, upholstery, and layered projects. The trade-off is learning curve. Speed control can feel aggressive. Threading requires precision, and tension must be dialed in carefully. But for intermediate sewists who want serious capability without spending thousands, this machine delivers a lot of performance for the money. Number 1. Brother 1034D. And finally, at number 1, the Brother 1034D. This machine has been around for years, and there's a reason it's still on top in 2026. The Brother 1034D is reliable, affordable, easy to learn, and produces consistently beautiful stitches across a wide range of fabrics. It handles knits, wovens, silks, and denim, includes essential accessory feet, and has one of the best beginner threading systems out there. It's not quiet, it's not fancy, and it doesn't have air threading. But what it does have is a proven track record of lasting a decade or more with minimal maintenance. For first-time serger buyers, experienced sewists, and anyone who just wants a machine that works, the Brother 1034D remains the gold standard. So there you have it, the top 10 ranked serger overlock machines on Amazon for 2026. Whether you're just starting out, upgrading your setup, or adding a specialty machine to your sewing room, there's something on this list for every kind of sewist. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more sewing machine breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which serger you're using or which one you're thinking about buying. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next one.